For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and it's time for your Daily Dose of the Doctor. Let's take a look at FFIV. That's F5 Networks Incorporated. This came up on our morning gap scan, and boy, was this a nice setup. So as you can see here, we had a gap from 126 all the way down to 108.65 on the open. So we had a giant gap lower on this one. 2 standard deviations or better showed up right there on our scanner and gave us the ability to plan a trade. Now this one didn't give us a dip below that opening price, so there was no reversal of the open to get us in. What we had to look for instead was this closing price to be violated to the upside. That happened in the very next bar. And then just to take a look at whether or not we thought there was enough room for profitability between the close at 110.67 and the high of that bar at 111.32. And once again, we see there we had some nice profit potential, and you could take off half the trade or all the trade, or you could use your Fibonacci tool, which I tell you about all the time. Go in there, draw that extension, and what do you see? The ability to get a profit all the way up into that 112.80 range on the big extension move higher. So another beautiful opening gap trade from our gap scanner, puts you out in the 95% confidence interval, gives you a really high probability of that gap making a fade move or going back into the void that's left from the gap. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.